Okay, so in the last video, we started with linear relations and we looked at standard form and how to put any equation in standard form. And so now in this video, we're going to talk about slope-intercept form. Okay, and hopefully most of you remember slope-intercept form. It's probably the most common that most of them like, but we're going to just write it as y equals mx plus b. And the other thing you might sometimes see, especially if you're using a calculator, is it may be a x plus b. So just be aware of that, that your calculator, when you, graphing calculator, and you might check on that, but most of them are ax plus b. Your m is your slope, and of course in the other one your a would be the slope, and your b is your y-intercept. Okay, so by definition, your slope is a constant rate of change between 2 points. We always think of it as rise over run. So when we are doing our graphing of all of our functions, we actually only have 2 functions that we talk about slope on. And those are our linear functions and our absolute value. Those are the only 2 that have a constant slope, okay? And so when we talk about what kinds of slopes, we have 4 different types of slope that you might see, okay? So the first one is a positive slope. And what that looks like is a graph in which from left to right, we're going up. So it is increasing left to right, okay? And I always think of it, if you draw you a little vehicle here, you're going up the hill, okay? Your next one is negative. And that would be left to right, going down, decreasing left to right. Or again, if you've got your little vehicle, it's going down the hill, okay? It's going down the hill, okay? Your next one that we're going to talk about is your zero slope. And a zero slope simply means that there's no change occurring, okay? That is your horizontal line. Okay, these are horizontal lines. And then our last one that we have is the vertical line, which has an undefined slope. Okay, whoops, I didn't put that up here. So 0, let me do my other color. Trying to get my color coded here. There we go. Okay, so this is 0, and this is your undefined. Okay, and if you think about the undefined, if you're doing rise over run, okay, you're rising, so you have any number there, but in terms of running left and right, you don't have any number, and so that is a 0. There's your undefined. Okay? And so next we're going to be looking at some graphs in slope-intercept form.